How to increase OBS recording quality. So first you want to open up OBS and then click on File and then go to Settings, and from here you want to go to Output and go to Recording, and then make sure it's in the Advanced Output mode, and from here you want to select Down and choose for the rate control you want to basically set it to constant bitrate, and for the bitrate I recommend starting with 10,000 bitrate. The more you increase this value, the higher the quality of the video gets, and also the higher the video size gets. When you record videos, it's basically higher in size. So I recommend keeping it at 10,000 and basically just adjusting it by few margins. You can basically choose whatever value fits your needs. And for the preset, I'd like to keep it at better quality, which is P6. Usually it's at P5, but I recommend using P6. And if you have a decent computer, you can basically go to the maximum, which is best quality P7. And if your computer is not good, you can keep it at P4 or P5. Now you can keep the other settings for the tuning as high quality and the multipass mode as 2 passes. And now you can basically head to the other settings. So for example, you want to select the recording format for the recording settings. You want to set it as fragmented MP4. And then for the video encoder, you want to select NVIDIA NVENC H264 if you have a decent NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, you can stick to the 264, which is basically a CPU encoder. Since I have an NVIDIA GPU, I keep it at this option right here. And for the other settings, you want to go to the video tab, which is this one. And for the base canvas resolution and the output scaled resolution, make sure both of these are matching, and the base resolution is basically matching your native screen resolution. So my screen is 1920 by 1080. So I've set it here to 1920 by 1080. Now once you're done, you can pretty much press the apply button and then OK. And now you can try to start recording again with the new settings, and you should have the best recording quality available for your PC. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.